What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I wonder, see my doppelganger there? Hello. Maybe we can zoom a little. That's alright. Let me know if it bothers you in the comment section. Probably no one cares. I'm just a little insignificant bug in the corner of the screen. We're going to go over Cardano. We're sitting at 62 cents. We're up 6% on the day. See a market cap of 21.85 billion. 24 volume 1.27 billion. So potentially it looks like Cardano may put in a higher high. You have a little inverse head and shoulders. It's starting to break right now. You have it. Yeah, you could count 5 waves actually. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which would give a higher confluence to ADA putting in that higher high. I do think Bitcoin's starting to go through its wave B. So what we might see here is that we're going to put one more. I was posting that in the Discord the last few days for a potential higher high for ADA. And as of right now, it looks like that could play out. Put in one more higher high, probably up to about 70 cents, 71 cents. And then see that continuation down. Okay, so you would have to look at, well, that's a wave 1 to the upside. That's your wave 2 pullback. That's a wave 3 right there, wave 4, and now you're putting in the wave 5. So I can give you a target. Take your FIP extension from the bottom of the wave 2 up to the top of the wave 3 to the bottom of the wave 4. Yeah, that's the right target anyways. Golden ratio, 69 cents, 78.6, about 74 cents. That would be your potential target zone to look for rejection for our friend Cardano. If we fail to break that high, that means the correction has already started, but it does look like it wants to make that push. So I would target in between 69 cents and 74 cents for the wave 5. All right, gang, super overextended on the weekly. Looks like we want to push up to the 200 week moving average, this red line, which is sitting at about 67 cents. That will definitely probably act as resistance. As you can see on the weekly, there's really no resistance in this area until about 74 cents to about 77 cents. So 74 cents is the 78.6. So probably a decent chance it could make it up there before seeing a pullback. But I would also watch that 200 week moving average. Once we do get that pullback, that will give us our next trade opportunity. And the signal will be given in the Discord. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including US and Canada. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100 is the minimum, $20. You can transfer from another exchange or deposit directly into the account. Once you put in the money into your futures account, send me an email to get that 20% bonus so you can have free money to trade with. And I will give you access to my VIP rooms, daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. If you sign up and make your first deposit of at least $100, get that 20% bonus. Otherwise, sign up to the Patreon. It's only $10 a month. All links down below. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.